In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group elements in Framer. Grouping elements is a simple but really powerful way to keep your designs organized and easy to work with. It helps you move multiple items together, apply shared styles, and generally keep your canvas clean, especially as your projects get more complex. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, make sure you have your Framer project open and that you can see the canvas and the left side of the interface. On the left side, you'll find the Layers panel. This is where every frame, text layer, image, and component in your project is listed in a structured way. Go ahead and click on the Layers sidebar to make sure it's active and visible. If it was collapsed before, clicking it will expand the list so you can clearly see each element you're working with. Next, we're going to prepare to select multiple elements that you want to group. This is done using a keyboard modifier key. If you're using Windows, you'll press and hold the Control key. If you're on a Mac, you'll press and hold the Command key. Keep that key held down while you make your selections. This tells Framer you want to select more than one layer at a time, instead of replacing your previous selection. Now, while still holding Control or Command, start clicking on the elements you want to group together. You can do this directly on the canvas by clicking the visual elements, or you can click their names in the Layers panel on the left. Each click will add that layer to your current selection. You'll know it's working when you see multiple layers highlighted at the same time. Take a moment to be intentional about what you select. Typically, you'll want to group items that logically belong together, like a button's background and its label, or a card with its image, title, and description. This makes it easier later to move or resize them as a single unit. Once you've selected all the elements you want, you're ready to group them. At this point in Framer, you would use the standard grouping command to turn that selection into one grouped layer, keeping everything neatly organized under a single parent in your Layers panel and making your design workflow much smoother.